Spoštovane, spoštovani, nadaljuje se 19. krog v prvi ligi Telemach, prvi po zimskem odmoru. Že včeraj sta bili odigrani prvi dve tekmi. Za uvod veliko presenečenje v Celju na stadionu z Dežele so prvaki položili orožje v tekmi z Bravom, ki je slavil s 3-2. Malce kasneje pa so Mariborčani v svojem Ljudskem vrtu z 2-1 premagali Domžale. V zadju vidimo Dragonse, ki so se danes res zbrali v lepem številu. Tam ima priložnosti v gol. Olimpija vodi z 1-0 svoje druge priložnosti. Tam ni zapravil in že po nekaj minutah, natančneje v 8. minuti svojega uradnega debija v dresu Olimpije je zadel Alex Tam. 1-0 torej za Ljubljančane. Takole, zdaj poglejmo še enkrat, kako je teklo vse skupaj s Suale do Bresta. Ta se je krasno obrnil. Topnikar je izpadel. Zdaj sta Sagrkovič in Vidali Antiča ponovno poklicala na pregled posnetka. Očitno pregled, če je šlo tule morda celo za prekršek za rdeči karton, ampak vsaj po mojem mnenju pa bi bila izključitev za tale štart. Mislim, da je šel res da nekoliko s podplatom, ampak vendarle na žogo. Rafiju se mi zdi, da je rumeni karton vendarle dovolj stroga kazen. Tudi ni imel pretirano visoko dvignjene noge Rafiju, ampak poglejmo, kako se bo odločil Vidali. Izključitev bo tole. Torej, razveljavljen rumeni karton in izključitev Išak Rafiju. Zelo, zelo stroga odločitev. Ampak popravlja Žorž Silva, atraktivno Silva, Floruc nazaj proti Silvi, Silva strelja in to je gol. Žorž Silva po lepi kombinaciji s Florucem, toda večino dela je tu vendarle upravil Žorž Silva. Najprej ukradena žoga, potem tako imenovani zidan in na to še dvojna podaja s Florucem ter prekrasen zaključek. Silva s predložkom, pred Tamom odbija Klemenčič, skače potem Suljanovič. In še ena izključitev, mislim, da sledi pri Ajdovcih. Kajti rumeni karton je dobil Edvin Suljanovič, enega je imel že prej in v 61. minuti nova izključitev. Torej, Tratnik in Smajlagic sta ušla, Matjaž, Fogec in Dedico poškodovani, medtem pa zadetek strelec Raul Floruc 3-0. Še pred iztekom 65. minute. Veselijo se Dragonsi. Vsi zelo, zelo globoko na svoji strani igrišča za žogo. Tole zdaj preigrava Brest, predložek Bresta, Alex Blanko. Alex Blanko, 4-0, še drugo asistenco na tekmi je vknjižil Brest. 70. minuta, 4-0 za Olimpijo. To je zdaj res samo vprašanje, kako močno bo Olimpija sploh pritiskala še za dosego kakšnega zadetka. Želi si najbrž zabiti kakšen gol, popraviti malce svoj status. Agba! Bum! Peter Agba svojo levico kakšnih 25 metrov, še pred iztekom 90. minute, vendarle je Olimpija prišla tudi do 5. gola. 22-letni Nigerijec Peter Agba pa do 1. v sezoni.
Tilen Klemenčič, danes je težko začeti kjerkoli druge kot pa pri delivcih pravice. Bi bili v težavah, če bi povedali vse, kar si mislite?
Pa mogoče bi res bil, ampak nisem zato tukaj, da komentiram sodnike. Mogoče je res kakšna situacija, pol šla njim na roko, mi smo bili takoj kaznovani, oni ne. Ampak ja, je kar je in nažalost se je to zgodilo nam.
Ni pa verjetno nobenega razloga za paniko.
Pa ne, jaz mislim, da ne. Na momente smo pokazali dobro igro, z igralcem manj smo bili nekakšne v igri, potem pa z dvema je bilo res težko, smo se probali kar se da čim boljše odbraniti. Nažalost smo prejeli še 2-3 zadetka, ampak ja, dobro se spočiti, zanalizirati in gremo naprej v drugi teden.
Milan Anđelković, danes je težko začeti kjerkoli druge kot pri sodnikih. Kako težko se je bilo sprijazniti s tem, da vam je glavni delivec pravice razveljavil 11 metrovko in na to izključil Išaka Rafija? Stroga odločitev je bila na novinarski konferenci, najbolj pogosto uporabljena besedna zveza. Bi bili v težavah, če bi povedali vse, kar si mislite?
Jaz mislim, da ja. Ampak jaz upam, da nekdo njih kontrolira, sam to bom povedal, vzamem vse nase, sprejel bom te odločitve, športniki smo, verjamem, da je ta odločitev vsak dela od nas v meri poštenosti, v meri športa in tako bom tudi se s tem nosil, vzamem še enkrat, taka situacija, kakršna je, moramo s tem živeti, gremo dalje.
Sicer visok poraz, ampak v teh danih okoliščinah zagotovo ni razloga za kakršenkoli preplah. Verjetno se boste tudi naslednji teden v Ljubljano podali z dobro popotnico.
Pa rekel sem fantom v garderobi, rezultat, meni je važno, da so oni srce pustili. In v težkih trenutkih se vidi, iz kakšnega testa se je. Danes je bila za nas težek trenutek, nobenemu ne moram kaj zameriti, dali so vse od sebe, rezultat pa na koncu je takšen, kakršen je.
Kaj boste dejali Išaku Rafiju in pa Soljanoviću?
Nič, dalje, ne, glavo gor, fanta sta pošteno oddelala, mislim, da še enkrat videli ste, ne drugi odločajo, je to bil rdeč karton ali ni bil, sploh nam povedal, kaj si mislim, kaj je itak brez veze, da karkoli govorim. Lahko sem čestitam in da bojo še boljše.
Alex Tam, congratulations, first game and first goal. It seems that this competition really suits you.
Yeah, I think that's it. I think clean sheet, five up front. I think happy for the team.
Otherwise, how do you feel in this club and how do you feel in this city?
Really good, really good. The guys, the coaches, from the first day, I feel like they welcomed me very well here, and I think it translated to the game as well today.
Last question, maybe for the fantasy managers. How many goals can we expect from you till the end of the season?
From my side, I didn't put any aims for the goals. I think the only aim now for the next half of the season is to lift 2 trophies at the end of the season with the Olympias. So for me, team comes first. So I cannot predict anything.
Victor Sanchez, so many things happened today that I don't really know where to start, to be honest. First of all, congratulations for the impressive victory. Despite it was first match in this calendar year, you looked very well, but probably it was much easier because Ishak Rafiu was sent off in the first and Edvin Soljanović in the second half.
Yes, thank you very much. We are satisfied with the result, of course. It's very good to come back to the competition, to the official competition. I think that we respect a lot of our opponent. I said at the beginning, even when they were playing with one player less, they are a very dangerous team because the style of playing, they break very easy the lines of the opponents with these vertical combinations that they are used to do, and they do very good. So when they lose one player, also they still dangerous, as they saw during the first half. I want to congratulate them. I say to their coach, I think that they are doing very, very good job, you can see. And also I said to my players, we have to take the example of Primož behavior today, because they behave as a real team, following the patterns and even playing with one player less or with two players less during the second half. They were able to shoot on target, one action that is really, really difficult when you are playing with this numerical disadvantage. So all my respect for Primož, that they think that this result at the end 5-0 is something that is logical, because this numerical advantage gives us this opportunity, but they did the job, and for us, as you said, make it easier, but not with one player less, because they were there on the game. Also, we did good job, because with one player less, we were also competing. The game was there. We start very good the pitch, taking the lead, and then also about the referee decisions, there is the rules. You have to follow the rules, and they are the ones that they have to fix the rules. If there are this kind of violence actions that they put in serious risk the health of an opponent, they have to take decisions with red cards or yellow cards, and this is what happened today.
Were you relieved when the referee changed his decision and gave your opponent a corner kick instead of the penalty? And what do you think about first red card?
I don't see the actions because I didn't have time to review, but they are the professionals on charge of that. So for that reason is the VAR, and for that reason they use. So I always have the respect on the decisions of the referee. We have suffered during previous part of the season decisions against us. We have to play some games with one player less, and we never complain. We continue doing our job.
Milan Anđelković was really angry after the match. Can you understand him?
Of course, I understand.
You regained 6 points advantage at top of the table. Considering what happened yesterday, can you say that Maribor is now your big and main rival at the title race?
We see another way. Our big rival is ourselves. When you are leading, the complacency becomes your biggest enemy. We know this from the beginning. We have this message in our dressing room, and we have to take care about us, and the others, they take care also about us. But if we care good about us, then we don't have to care about the opponents.
Alex Tam scored on his debut. Maybe a few words about Estonian.
About all the team, as always, very good teamwork. We are very, very happy with the effort that all the players they are doing, the players that they played from the beginning, the players that they came in the game during the second half, also the players that they didn't play or players out of the list. All they are doing amazing. We are very happy, and we congratulate, we celebrate the debut of these players, that they came in this market, this window market, to help the team, and they are showing that they are going to help the team from the beginning.
And you also kept a clean sheet for 14th time this season. Definitely a stat you can be proud on.
Yes, teamwork. We are proud of all the teamwork in the face of defense and in the face of attack.
Also, Raul Florić is now the best league scorer. Do you believe he can stay at the top till the end? And how important is for your team that he extended his contract?
I didn't know. I didn't know this. He was leading the table, but it's good for us because we want to be leading all the tables. But the most important one is the team.